Yes, Massive and Crew, back once again with another video. And today I'm feeling a bit under the weather. I've got a bit of a cold, you have to excuse me. Just probably went out in that flipping weather out there without no spacesuit on, you know how it goes. For 1 second and you just get mashed up. Anyway, I just thought I'd take a bit of a moment. I'm going to take a couple of early nights, get myself together. And in the meantime, I'm going to show you a bit of the extra footage that I had from the findings on the old retro bits and pieces. It'd be interesting to hear your comments. Let me know if you guys have found any of your retro tech, if you found any of your, pulled out any of your old samplers, etc. And you know, got that out of your closets and started using that. How many of you guys are actually using outboard? How many of you guys are you actually using digital? Yeah, comment down below and let me know. Holy smoke, guys, look, we are talking the original Atari ST that we used to work on. This thing, I don't even know if it still works, but I am looking forward to getting this up and running. It's dusty as hell, needs a good clean up, bit of love. Whoever thought I would be pulling this out of the loft, well, pulling this out of the cupboard and using it again. I can see here that it's got a monitor connection, so I'm hoping that I don't have to get one of these old TV monitors. And I should be able to convert this somehow to some sort of upscaler HDMI. Comment down below if you know anything about that. There's also some COM ports and all kinds of stuff on it, parallel ports, but I never used any of those, and I've also never used a monitor. Switch seems to be working, got a cable, got a reset button, and also over here I found another round of DATs. I can't believe it, another round of DATs. We got new tunes. Oops, we got new tunes. We got Hard Step 95. We've got, wow, Full Boy. Someone actually contacted me about this Full Boy. Full Boy, Sidewalk Doctor. What? Oh, Sidewalk Doctor. That's definitely something to do with Fist to Fist. My goodness, 1995, in good condition. Man, I can't wait to hear these tunes. Please tell me I'm going to find the tune that I'm looking for. I've got some Beat Freak stat there. I've got, what's this? Don't even know what this is. It says Red Jacket. I think I know what that is. That's some samples on there. Mine of Mine 95. Let's see, anything else significant. Oh my days, look at this. Deluxe Frontline EP. Hell yeah. Sample CD there. Busy being Cool and Flex. Myself and Cool and Flex tape. This one's falling apart. Probably fix it. Some samples on that one. 4 hours worth tape. New tunes, pre-releases. 90 minutes both sides. New tunes. Be interesting to hear what that sounds like. Comment down below. You guys listen to hissy tapes. We've got another one in full effect. Wow, that's bringing back some memories, man. All these cassettes, I've completely forgot about them. Didn't even remember that they exist. Fat Beats. Oh look, there's Kenny Kendat. What's that? Strange. Where did I get that from? I don't even know the state of this. I'd be scared to put this in my DAT machine. I would put this in my DAT machine last. I've got a probably stick that in the Panasonic one. Triple Squeeze 001. Wow, can't wait to get cracking on this lot, guys. And over here, this is one of the official Commodore Amigas, which means now I've got two Commodore Amiga 1200s, and it'd be mad to get 2 discs. So if I do need to load 2 discs up, which I doubt I might get round to, I could use 2 Amigas and try something with that. This is an old Akai spectrum analyzer. I used to use this in the studio. Used to do some flickering lights. This was a really good gadget back in the day. Used to wire my main output through this and use it to kind of get an idea of bass frequency and stuff. So it'd be interesting to set that back up. Like, comment, subscribe down below. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As I said, lots more stuff coming, lots more uploads coming your way. Take care, God bless, peace.